Hello class, this is a video tutorial on the introduction to the idea of paying off loans. So we've already seen that an annuity is an investment that we seek to grow the value of. Loan repayments is instead an amount we seek to reduce to zero over time. Difficulty in loan repayments is that even as the amount owing is paid off, compound interest increases the owing amount each time period. So here's an example of the following. So let's say we take a $10,000 loan and it's charged 12% per annum, compounding monthly. If $250 is paid each month, how much is owing after 3 months, 5 months, and 7 months? So here's a table simulating what might happen with the loan. So in the 0th month, when we take the loan, we owe $10,000. So A0 is $10,000. That $10,000 will be charged 1% and it will be added. So we now owe $10,100. Here is the regular repayment where we subtract $250. So the amount we owe after 1 month, A1 is $9,850. This process will repeat. We get charged 1%. We subtract $250, and the amount owing at A2 is this amount here. And this repeats on and on and on until eventually this amount here will get to 0. Okay, so from here we can see that after 3 months we owe that amount there. Let's actually just copy that. After 5 months, it's that amount there. And don't worry, this isn't how we're going to be doing it. I'm just demonstrating you the idea that we pay off a loan. It gets charged interest, so the loan increases. We decrease the loan, it increases by a little bit, it decreases by the same amount, and so on. But clearly this would take far too long to repeat until the loan is fully paid, or even we couldn't be bothered to repeat this table 10 times, 20 times, sometimes 120 times. So later on, we'll develop methods for this. Although right now, we should learn how to calculate how much interest has been paid at any time n. So we understand, interest is the principal paid minus the total paid. But to calculate the principal paid, we need to take the original value and subtract the current owing at time n, and the total paid is the regular repayments multiplied by the n number of repayments we've made. So let's do an example of this here. I'm going to take each of these values because we're going to be taking how much interest has been paid at these different time periods. So this is how much is left owing. So the total paid is going to be the original value of the loan, which is 10,000, minus this amount here. That is equal to, let's calculate it here, 10,000 minus 9,545 point, let's round to the nearest 10 cents, so 0.50. So they've paid in total 454.5. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake here. This is the principal paid. So they've reduced the loan by $454.50. The total that they've paid, well, they make $250 installments, and it's been 3 months. So in total, they've paid $750. Well, the interest on this, well, it's $750. Take away how much they've actually reduced the loan by. So $750 take away 454.50. So they've paid in interest $295.50. That's to the nearest 10 cent. We'll repeat this again. Let's find the principal reduction, or the principal amount they've paid. Principal paid. Again, it's going to be 10,000 minus the amount here. $10,000 minus 9,329. Let's round this again to the nearest 10 cents. When it comes to rounding, I'm just doing to the nearest 10 cents to make it easier for the video, but keep in mind how much the rounding should be when doing a question itself. The total amount paid now, well, at 5 months, they make $250 installments by 5. Well, they've paid a total of $1,250, which means the interest is going to be 1250 minus 670.30. Let's take this amount minus the principal paid, $579.70. I can repeat this again and again, but I'm sure you're getting the idea here. So the principal paid is the original value of 10,000 minus the amount they've the currently owing. It's going to be 9014.70. Again, rounding to make it easier for myself. The total paid, that's $250 installments by 7 installments. I don't know what that one is. 1750. Well, then that means the interest is 1750 minus 985.30. So take this amount subtracted by 985.3. 824.70. So I hope that gave you an insight into calculating the principal paid, total paid, and the amount of interest paid at any given time period N, as well as seeing the calculations of a loan occur over time through a table. In the next video, we're going to learn how to find the value of a loan at time N without use of a table. Hope to see you then. Best of luck.